So for beginners, when you download your MetaTrader 4 and you want to create a demo account, what you just need to do is to come down to this very plus button, hit on the plus button. So you will see this very open demo account, okay? Open a demo account or log into an existing account. So since you want to open a new account, it says choose a broker and register an account to learn trading and test your strategies, okay? So we want to open a new demo account. So when you click on this open a demo account, all right, the first thing is to find a broker, okay? So you have to have a broker in mind that you want to open a demo account with. So let's say, for instance, you want to open an account with FX Pro. All you need to do is to type FX Pro, okay? Then you'll see all the FX Pro demo servers, okay? Then you can choose from any of the servers, all right, to open a demo account. Any of them will serve you. Now, let's say you want to open with FXTM. So you can still choose from any of their demo accounts. So you have FXTM's ECN demo and you have FSTM ECM0 demo. So you can choose from any one of them to open. So let me just choose that of FXTM. So that's for the purpose of this tutorial. So when I click on it, so all I need to do is to fill out this information, these details, okay? Put in my name, then your phone number, email address, then under account type, I want it to be in USD. If you don't want that, you can select FSTM Euro, FSTM GBP. I'm in Nigeria, so I still have FSTM Nigeria, okay? So I'm going with FSTM USD, all right? Then the next is leverage. Now your leverage is just that boost that the broker gives to you to enable you trade with your small capital, because normally the least traded contract size in forex trading is a micro lot size, which is equivalent to $1,000, which many newbie traders may not have. So a leverage helps you that with even as little as $100 or even $50, you can trade that micro lot size or multiples of micro lot size. So that is the essence of leverage. So you can choose your leverage, but leverage works as a two-edged sword. It can help you make those trades and make more money, and it can also help you lose your money so fast. And that is why many people lose their money fast in forex trading, okay? Because of that leverage. They expose their accounts so much as a result of the leverage they have to trade more, okay? What it means is that if you choose 1:1,000, that means that you can trade as much as 1,000 times the amount you have as your deposits, okay? That means if you have $100 in your account, you can trade as much as 100,000 worth of contract, okay? So I always advise people to choose not too high a leverage, maybe 1:200 is okay. But if you know your onions very well, if you're very good at trading, you can even choose as much as 1:1,000 or 5,000, wherever. So, but for a beginner, go with 1:200. Then you choose the amount you want to deposit. So let's say I want to deposit just 3,000. So most brokers will give you 3,000 minimum deposit, okay? So you choose 3,000. So once you've selected the amount, just click on create account. So when you click on create account, you can see that the account is created with the account details, both the password. So you can see the account is created, the account name, the account type, and the leverage, deposits, the login details, which is this is the login detail, and this is the password, and this is the investor password. So you can copy this thing, save it, else you just click done. Once you click done, so you see that the account is open. So with that, you can see that we've logged in. From there, you can start analyzing your trade and placing your trade. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos.